Happy Tuesday and happy Tuesday Teardown. It's time to review another website and audit it that you, the people of LinkedIn, have submitted for me to check out. So today we have got weexplain.com, and on the whole, it's not a bad little website at all. The design and layout's quite cool in general. There's a few points that I'll mention now. So straight away, it's not secure, so it has not got an SSL certificate. So it needs that padlock there to help with Google positioning and help give people confidence the website is nice and secure. It's got a video right at the top, which is pretty nice, just explaining what they offer. The only thing I would say, for people that can't be bothered to look at the video, it could do with a nice headline or caption explaining the value proposition. So we help brands tell their story through epic videos, or we offer awesome videos to help you generate more leads, something like that. Moving down, you've got a nice menu at the top that stays sticky, both in desktop and the mobile view here. The only thing I would say for this top menu is you could add a nice call to action. So you could highlight the contact button, maybe make it blue or orange, or you could even highlight a button like get a free quote, so it prompts people to click through that. Generally, the layout's not too bad at all. Moving down, you've got some testimonials, you've got some social proof with some client logos here. And each page has got a contact form at the bottom that makes it nice and easy for people to get in touch. Only thing I would say is maybe add some more call to actions throughout. So maybe halfway down, have a request a quote or request a video consultation or something like that, just to make it nice and easy for people to get in touch. Looking at some of the service pages. So again, there's a lot of content throughout the site, which is going to help with SEO and explaining all the services for people that are searching for that kind of stuff. Again, the detail pages, the inner pages, some of these could use some social proof, so perhaps some testimonials just before the contact form, and some social proof with the brands that they work with, just to give people a bit more confidence in what they're doing. But apart from that, it's pretty good. The only other issue was the page speed. So on mobile, it scores 18 out of 200, so it takes 2.5 seconds to load the first piece of content. Needs some work, and on desktop, it's not too bad, so a little bit of work on the speed and it'll be all good. So on the whole, not a bad little website, a few little tweaks to optimize the brand confidence, make it a bit easier for people to get in touch and speed it up, and then it'll be good to go. Thanks very much for tuning in. And if you've got a website you'd like reviewed next week, let me know in the comments below.